Welcome back as we move on to discuss some important cable gland accessories. In order to accommodate the many industrial requirements and environments in which electrical devices must operate, certain protective devices may be required in the cabling systems, especially at the gland area. Plant operating in external situations must be unaffected by rain or water spray, which means that the glands in that area must be watertight, not simply waterproof. Conventional shrouds create a waterproof situation, but for watertight sealing, the cable must be tightly sealed between the gland body and the cable bedding. This is achieved automatically with compression glands, but with armor gripping glands, water can enter a terminal connection easily, even past the shroud. To create a watertight seal in an adjustable armor gripping gland, we need to include an inner sealing kit, available as an accessory item. The sealing kit consists of an inner rubber sealing bush and a cone ring. The cone ring is installed with its dished side or concave side facing outward. The sealing bush is then fitted over the bedding and into the cone ring recess. The gland is then assembled in the usual manner. Another modification kit is the compression conversion kit, used in situations where an armor gripping gland has to be utilized with an unarmored cable. In effect, the original cone bush is discarded from the gland and the kit components fitted instead. The kit comprises a tapered ring, a rubber compression bush, and a steel retainer, which all replace the original cone bush. Upon assembly, the tapered side of the tapered ring fits into the cone nut, after which the compression bush and retainer are positioned. The final assembly is then made as previously described for adjustable glands. Another useful accessory which can be used with adjustable glands is a thread adapter, which replaces the adjusting nipple, thereby allowing the gland to be used in threaded entries. The adjustable nipple can also be replaced with a longer version for a situation where a deeper thread reach is required. The standard short shroud can be replaced with a long shroud, which encases the full gland where extra protection is necessary. Note the annular recess in the differential nut, which provides for a positive engagement and anchoring of the shroud. We have shown you various cable glands, procedures for assembling, and some common accessories used in typical glands. There are many variations of gland types, each applicable to certain environments or operating conditions in a multitude of industries. Whatever gland you are required to fit, the principles that you have learned in this program will generally apply. We urge you, however, always to follow the fitting or assembly instructions provided by the manufacturer whenever you are fitting a cable gland that you are unfamiliar with. Practice fitting glands and preparing terminations in your work area to conclude this program on cable glands. Join us again in future Tech AV programs, where you can improve your knowledge and skills in other electrical and engineering tasks.